Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you've recently purchased a TP-Link TL-WR842N Wireless Router and aren't sure how to configure it, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the entire setup process, including router login, quick setup, wireless network configuration, and internet connection settings. Let's get your router online in just a few minutes. Whether you're a first-time user or resetting your router, this guide will help you get your network up and running quickly. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, turn off your modem. Connect the modem to the router's WAN internet port using an Ethernet cable. Connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports or join the default Wi-Fi network printed on the router label. Power on the modem first, then the router. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes until the LEDs become stable. Open a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type either http://tplinkrepeater.net or http://192.168.0.254. Press enter. You'll see a login page. Enter the default credentials. The username and password is admin. Click login. You can later change this login info for security. On the home page, click on Quick Setup. Click Next to begin the setup. Choose your country/region from the list. Click Next. Choose your internet connection type. If your ISP uses dynamic IP, select dynamic IP and continue. If your ISP provided a PPPoE username and password, select PPPoE and enter the credentials exactly as provided. If your ISP gave you a static IP, enter the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS information provided by your ISP. Click Next after completing the required information. Enter a name for your wireless network in the Wireless Network Name (SSID) field. This is the Wi-Fi name that will appear on your devices when searching for available networks. Select WPA2PSK as the wireless security mode if available, then create a strong Wi-Fi password. This password will be required whenever a device connects to your wireless network. Review all the settings displayed on the summary page. If everything is correct, click Save or Finish. The router will save the configuration and reboot automatically. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.